Never regret anything that made you smile. Every smile represents a moment you chose to live, to learn, to take a chance, or to grow. Even the paths that didn't lead where you expected often gave you the wisdom, resilience, and experience needed to find something even better. Too many people spend their lives looking backward, wondering what if, instead of asking what's next. The future doesn't reward regret, it rewards action. Imagine waking up each day knowing you're building something that belongs to you. A business where your efforts today can continue paying you tomorrow. A business built on creating genuine value by helping people lower one of their largest recurring monthly expenses instead of convincing them to buy something they don't need. That's what makes TruPowur different. Every conversation has the potential to help a family or business reduce their energy costs, uncover billing errors that could result in refunds, and gain access to competitive energy solutions, all while you build a compounding residual income that can continue growing month after month. Your next smile could come from helping your very first customer, earning your first residual commission, or realizing you've finally taken control of your financial future instead of leaving it in someone else's hands. The only thing you'll regret is never giving yourself the opportunity to find out what's possible. So, if you're ready to reinvent your future, build a 7-figure compounding residual income by helping customers save money on something they already use every day: energy. It's time to stop settling for less and start taking control of your financial destiny. To learn more, visit TruPowerCareer.com and we'll see you on the inside.